YouTube. Grego's here. Yeah, so what are we doing? On the FIAT Spider. Yeah, we're getting the welding all sorted. So Andrew's been busy on it. There's quite a few patches. So we've got that part up, that piece up there was custom made. Andrew used the bead roller and a few other things for that. We've got bits under the floor, sections along the right across there, a bit there. The owner wanted to do some deleting of sections on the firewall because it's no longer going to be petrol powered, it's going to be electric. It doesn't need a lot of the holes that are in the firewall. So yeah, that's cool. So Andrew's got these welded in. So my mission today, a lot of these, this was previous holes from a spot puller, the old school ones that used to drill through and pull them out, and so they were just individually welded up. Piece welded in there where the old indicator deletes were. Yeah, here's an example here where basically this piece was just slapped on the inside of the panel, being larger than the hole itself, and then it was just tacked, and then it was all bogged over. So I said to Andrew, that's not good enough. So we are just, yeah, butt welded a fresh piece there. Was a little bit of warpage from the heating as you get with TIG, but on this we can dress it from the inside, which is good. A lot of panels you can't. That's usually when we use a MIG if you've got no access from behind, but these are, this particular car has good access. There was another rusty bit there, another indicator delete there. It's gonna be very smooth, very slick looking. This just had a bit of a couple of holes and a split on that seam. That was all reconstructed. So that was a real patchwork quilt mess, and that's all been sorted now. So, and this one here, yeah, so basically overall, yeah, there was a bit more rust than what we initially expected, but we're all on top of it now. Oh, this piece has, so you can see Andrew's welded that around there on that seam, so now we can prime that, and then that bit can go in there. Yeah, so that was the old piece, and we've beaten it back out to the shape it should be because it was all torn. Yeah, I spread a bit of fiberglass filler I had there, but I'll probably be sanding that off because I want to get some epoxy under there. So yeah, like I said, that in behind there, you want to have that all primed, at least primed, if not, yeah, epoxy of some sort, or even better. Anti-corrosive paint of some sort, put it that way. This is all zinc on the back of this. So you've got the best chance possible that it's going to last. So that's sort of what you want. Because this car will be well looked after and in a garage, and I think it'll pretty much last a lifetime. So, so the doors, let's move that over there. These doors have been body worked, so they were epoxied and filled a layer of filler over the whole lot, then all blocked back. So most of the filler gets sanded off, but you end up with a beautiful flat finish. Pardon me. So the, yeah, doors are finished, and we have a, in amongst the panel piles, the boot lid as well, same deal. And we've got the badge there, a test badge, to make sure that it sits in like the factory badge does. So same thing, that was all blocked back, and that's looking nice and straight. So in reality, we've just got this bonnet and body to work on now. This has had some sort of badge delete plate in there that was all bogged over. So we're going to cut this out and just replicate like we've done on the other one. We'll have to weld up that little seam there. Yeah, but basically 99% of the welding's finished now. Well, not 95% maybe. So yeah, so the plan is now, I like to prefer, you can fill over bare metal, but I prefer to fill over epoxy. With the faster hardener I use, it's got a 3-day window there before you can fill over it. You have to sand, give this epoxy here you know, a sand with some 120 dust, you know, clean it off, and then you can skim your filler straight over the top. So I'm not happy putting filler over bare metal patches. So yeah, that is the process. Yeah, so much less filler will be needed than what it had in there. This wrinkly bit here, yeah, we've decided that that's going to be fine. It's all solid, there's no rust in it. We are going to just weld this up here and weld this up here, and check there's no holes along there, and that'll just have a skim and that'll be perfectly fine. Not sure about the mirror situation yet, so yeah, you know, like you could basically, if there was an unlimited budget, you could just like hand make a whole panel, like just make the whole panel brand new, so you don't have any sort of patchwork on it and need zero filler. But that's a super expensive job. That was never the idea of this one. So we're trying to keep the budget reasonable. You know, I still going to last a lifetime when we're finished with it. So yeah, not an issue. So it won't be a concourse car. It's, you know, it's not the idea of this one, but and it wouldn't be a concourse car because it's going to have an electric conversion anyway. So yeah, so the process is when the body is in the same stage as the doors and the boot, we bolt all them on, we put all the catches on and everything like that, so the door shuts to where it's supposed to be, and then we body work all this here, basically from back to front, so that we'll be running the blocks over the door across the face there, so that it's basically seamless right through. So that's sort of that's the look we're going for. So going for a really nice finish, but not complete show car finish. So underneath we're going to do retexture everything. Oh, is that my phone? Who's ringing me? I hear the music stop. Oh, hang on. Hey son. Oh, I'm just recording a video, so I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm just, yeah, sorry, yeah. Yeah, you're so important that I interrupt the video that I'm making just for you. Yeah, no, I was just seeing if you wanted to get some more coffee from Elixir, but yeah. Oh, did I just mention a brand name? Is this the ABC? No, all good. Righto then. Okay, hey? No, they're shut on Boxing Day. They're open today. But... okay, righto. Oh, goodbye. So there you go. That's what happens when you have an addiction, like we do. You make shifty phone calls and see if you can get some good quality coffee beans. So shout out, I might as well. They don't pay it, we don't even get a discount. But Elixir Coffee Roasters in Stafford, in Brisbane. Sweets, their Fratelli. Their Fratelli blend. See, all this bloody mafia talk's getting me bloody tongue-tied. Yeah, so the Fratelli blend is, it's the bomb. We have it most mornings, except when we run out, and then we don't. So yeah, we you know, we can get other coffee, which we do sometimes, from other suppliers, but it's just not quite the same. So anyway, it's a cheap addiction to have. You know, even if you're a heavy hitter and have 2 or 3 coffees a day, well, it's not going to send you broke. But yeah. But anyway, there is no Pablo in this house, so you won't even find Blend 43 here. So we're going to get back into this. I'm going to get back into this. Andrew's in Brisbane, so it's like, yeah. So what is it? It's technically Christmas Eve. Christmas tomorrow. Yeah, righto. So that's good. I'm going to get this done, get this in epoxy. I might even see if I can get this video up for, like, load it before I go into Brisbane myself, so for Christmas. All right, out for now. You get the process, you're caught up now. Righto, talk to you later.